Welcome to East Croydon, where cultures converge and the pulse of suburban London beats strongest. Join me as we explore its bustling train station, vibrant shopping scenes, and diverse culinary experiences. Let's uncover the unique charm that defines East Croydon's. East Croydon refers to a train station and the surrounding area in the Croydon district, situated southeast of London. Croydon is approximately 16 kilometres away from central London and is an important suburban area.
East Croydon train station is one of the busiest train stations in England. The station provides direct connections to significant hubs such as London's Victoria Station, London Bridge Station, and Gatwick Airport, offering easy access to the city centre, making it a crucial transportation hub.
Around East Croydon, there are shopping facilities, restaurants, cafes, and local venues hosting cultural activities. Areas like George Street and North End are known for their shopping centres, stores, and commercial activities. Additionally, Croydon High Street boasts a vibrant atmosphere with bar. East Croydon is also a melting pot of different cultures and hosts many restaurants serving diverse ethnic cuisines. Moreover, one of the notable places in the Croydon area is Luna House, where the Home Office, responsible for immigration, security, and citizenship matters in the UK.
There are many options for shopping in East Croydon. North End Street is the main shopping area here. Here you can find shops of famous brands, supermarkets, cafes and restaurants. There are also two large shopping centres, Whitgift Centre and Centrail here.
These shopping centres also have entertainment facilities, such as cinema, bowling, arcade. You can show the photos you took while shopping in your video. East Croydon is an area rich in arts and culture. There is an arts centre called Fairfield Halls here. Fairfield Halls has different venues such as a theatre, concert hall and exhibition space, which was established in 1962. Fairfield Halls has hosted many famous artists and events. For example, the Beatles, Queen, David Bowie, Pink Floyd, Elton John, Tom Jones, the Rolling Stones, The Prodigy, Chemical Brothers, Daft Punk, Madonna, Michael Jackson, Prince, Whitney Houston, Mariah Carey, Celine Dion, Britney Spears, Christina Aguilera, Beyoncé, Rihanna, Lady Gaga, Adele, Ed Sheeran, Sam Smith, Bruno Mars, Justin Bieber, Taylor Swift, Katy Perry, Ariana Grande, Billie Eilish, Harry Styles, One Direction, Little Mix, Spice Girls, Take That, Westlife, Boyzone, Robbie Williams, George, and many more famous ones like these.
Although time was limited, I've captured snapshots and brief videos to offer you a glimpse into East Croydon. Join me on this concise visual journey to explore snippets of its vibrant atmosphere, the buzz of its streets, and the charm that makes this place unique. While my visit was brief, these glimpses aim to convey the essence of East Croydon. Enjoy the snapshots.
I hope you've enjoyed the information shared in this video. Through snapshots and short videos, I've aimed to provide a brief insight into the captivating atmosphere of East Croydon. If you liked the video and would like to see more, please don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Your feedback is invaluable to me, so I eagerly await your comments and suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on new videos. Thank you for your support.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.